All right, Jerry, where are we heading to?
We are. You're rocking. Okay, we are heading to the exhibition hall for Canoecopia.
Yeah.
2012, Madison, Wisconsin. We have with us Tim Buppert, extraordinaire. John Foster, kind of extraordinaire.
Yeah.
Suzanne Rohrer, really extraordinaire. And we are at the Alliant Energy Center, where this weekend 20,000 paddlers are going to be coming through. Here, I'm going to try the gauntlet. Jerry Vandiver and the One Match Band. There you go.
That's right. Oh my gosh. I have arrived.
Ready for this, huh? Right. Hey!
Ryan, I admire your peripheral vision.
You got good so far, your peripherals. Let me introduce you to the man. Remember when I went to Wabakini and paddled with this old fart and we cut trees and stuff? This is the old fart right here. Phil Cotton. This is Barry.
You're the old fart.
Cleared the land,
Tim.
Thunder Bay.
Qualified yet.
Hey, yeah, right. He's still a young pup.
That's right. Absolutely.
John Foster.
John. He said I'd get to meet
Suzanne.
Yule while I was here. Is that true? Is Yule here?
This is Suzanne, the talent in the group.
The talent.
Yeah.
The beauty, by the way.
Yeah, obviously. I say it's the better half of the whole thing.
There you go.
Yeah. Good to see you just got here, obviously.
Oh boy. Get your charge cards out.
Right.
You got more than you were bargaining for.
I did. It was perfect, though.
So have you heard about the band that's going to be here?
Kayak. I mean,
Hammock? That's a kayak? Is that?
Yeah.
They
Don't
do,
embarrass me.
They do
Don't
tip.
embarrass me.
They do tip easy.
Phil, let's go down. I want to go down to the Ontario guys and introduce you.
I love some hammock action. Can we sign up for one of these free cards?
Absolutely. Are you with Ontario?
Yeah.
I'm Jerry Vandiver. I'm with the band.
Hi, Jerry. Steve Bruno. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
Yeah.
These are my band guys here. This is John,
John, how you doing?
Suzanne,
Steve. Good to meet you, Steve.
and Steve.
That'd be perfect.
Okay.
That'd be perfect.
You guys up for that? Want to play like 2 or 3 songs here? Yeah. 5 o'clock? Yeah. You okay with that? Okay. What time is it
Got a shower.
I was going to say.
Shower,
where
wash
you
my
guys
hair, and
from?
have some dinner.
We're staying at the Clarion.
No, where are you from?
Oh, we're Nashville, Tennessee.
Nashville.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to come with you.
There's some of that guitar
Oh
strap
yeah,
again.
isn't that beautiful? This is a guitar strap with a canoeing theme on it. Got the name of the band, One Match, pine cones typical of North. Are you on?
We're on, but let me get it focused here. There we go.
It's got the One Match band. We got pine cones. We got a moose. This is a wolf track. Cross paddles. So turn it around. It's a bear track. Let's go this way. Then we got a bald eagle. It's just an amazing, one-of-a-kind guitar strap. And a buddy of mine made this for me just for this gig, which is pretty incredible. Paddling community is an amazing community. Welcome back. James, how you doing, buddy? All right, you're here. We're gonna play.